Alright, this is another video of how to use rivets and a rivet gun, and how to put some panels together that I need to use for an install that I have. But this is a rivet gun, manual rivet gun. Right here, put the rivet in here and it clamps down. Anyways, today we're going to be installing some Cat 6 and basically some BNC connectors. Alright, what you do first, this is the box of rivets. 1/8 aluminum rivets is what I'm using today. And these are pretty easy to use. First of all, you stick a rivet in here, open it up all the way in, and it'll just be like that. The only thing that we need to make sure that we do is when we put this in, we need to make sure we hold it tight. So put that rivet in, put this rivet in this way, open, close it, and you can see on both sides what's going to be happening on the other side while I do this. I'm closing the gap. I'm trying to get as close to play as possible to get that ball as tight as possible. Now the thing is, you don't want to do this too fast, because if you do it too fast, right here won't make a completely tight seal. This automatically cuts off the rivet when it gets to a certain pressure. So you want to get it slowly, and then it clips off, and that's a tight seal. This comes out once you open it, and that's it. So I'll do one more for you. You could either put it in or put it in the gun first. Open the gun so it'll fit in. It fits in all the way. Clamp down. Clamp down. Every time while you're clamping down, you push it in a little bit, and then it gets tighter and tighter. There we go. That rivet's done. That's in, and that's in pretty tightly. That comes back out. All right, I'll do one more for you. This one, I'm gonna put in this Cat 6 in the next one. Just gonna put this in here. Open my rivet gun. Stick the rivet in. The first few go a little faster, and then once I feel it get tight, the last set, I should go a little slower. As the rivet gets, make sure it's tight right there. I think you see it. Almost there, almost tight. And as it gets tighter, you can see it, squeeze. Oh, I need to do one more. And squeeze. There you go, right there. And then that comes out. Next rivet. Take this, put it in. Oh, didn't get the holes quite aligned. There we go. All right. Open. Close, open, close, open, close, open. Get it as tight as possible and close as possible. There you go. This should cut it off. There you go. That's how you get your rivets in. All right. Hope you enjoyed the short video.